Indian Coast Guard Day is observed every year on? The correct answer is option A, 1st February. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Financial Officer, CFO, of Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services? Correct answer is option C, Pradeep Kumar Agrawal. India's first cancer genome atlas has been launched by which IIT for early breast cancer detection? Option A, IIT Madras. Who was awarded the Player of the Match in the ICC Under-19 Women's T20 World Cup final? Option D, Gongadi Trisha. Which country won the ICC Women's Under-19 T20 World Cup 2025 title? Option A, India. What is the name of the joint military exercise between the Indian Army and the Maldives National Defence Force that began on February 2, 2025? Option C, Ekavaran. Who will become first Indian astronaut to travel to the International Space Station, ISS, on a private mission? Option A, Shubhanshu Shukla. Who has been appointed as the head of the Judicial Commission to investigate the Mahakumbh stampede? Option B, Justice Harsh Kumar. Who has been honored with the Maharaja Hari Singh Award 2025? Option C, Manoj Sinha. The Gujarat government declared the inland mangrove in which village of Kutch district as the first biodiversity heritage site of Gujarat? Option A, Gunri. Who inaugurated the 8th Madhya Pradesh Global Investor Summit 2025? Option B, Narendra Modi. Which country recently set a record by running its artificial sun for over 1,000 seconds? Option C, China. Which company developed India's first hydrogen-compliant transport pipes? Option B, Tata Steel. Which team won the Indian Super League, ISL, winners title in 2025? Option C, Mohan Bagan Supergiant. Which Indian-American singer and entrepreneur won the 67th Grammy Award for the album, Triveni? Option A, Chandrika Tandon. Who has been recently honored with Youngest Map Genius of India? Option A, Saksham Thakur. Which state's forest management project won the SKOCH Award 2024? Option B, Nagaland. Who has won the 6th Men's Hockey India League 2024-25 title? Option C, Shrachi Rad Bengal Tigers. Which country won its first ever Asia Mixed Team Badminton Championship title by defeating China? Option C, Indonesia. Where has South Africa's largest Hindu temple been inaugurated recently? Option C, Johannesburg. Who has launched the Chandrayaan Se Chunav Tak initiative? Option B, Election Commission of India. Which African country has become the first to eliminate onchocerciasis, as recognized by the WHO? Option A, Nigeria. Ili Bolojan has been appointed as the interim president of which country? Option C, Romania. Which country recently demonstrated artificial photosynthesis in space using the Shenzhou 19 mission? Option D, China. Who has inaugurated the National IP Moot Court Competition 2025? Option A, Piyush Goyal. When is World Cancer Day observed annually? Option B, 4th February. Who became the first black woman to win a Grammy in the country music category? Option C, Beyoncé Lawrence. Which state now has the maximum number of Ramsar sites in India as on February 2025? Option A, Tamil Nadu. National Productivity Day is observed every year on. Option D, 12th February. Which country has granted legal personhood to Mount Taranaki? Option C, New Zealand. In which city is the BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025 being held? Option B, Gandhinagar. What historic milestone did India achieve in solar power capacity in February 2025? Option C, 100 gigawatt. Who was the former Chief Election Commissioner, CEO, of India, who recently passed away? Option B, Naveen Chawla. Which state has launched the Nirbhay Kadhi initiatives? Option D, Orissa. ISRO unveiled the FEAST 2025 software at which institute? Option D, IIT Hyderabad. Which Indian state has launched the Chocolate War initiative to combat illegal opium cultivation? Option B, Jharkhand. What is the name of the super app launched by Indian Railways for seamless travel? Option B, Swarail. What is Zomato's new name after its rebranding? Option B, Eternal. Which Indian origin astronaut set a new record for the longest spacewalking time by a woman? Option B, Sunita Williams. Who won the Tata Steel Masters 2025 title on 2 February 2025 at Vijaykanzi, Netherlands? Option C, R. Pragananandha. Who was awarded with the Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? In which Indian state has the first white tiger breeding center been approved? Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Option A, Sachin Tendulkar. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Option C, Rajesh Nirwan. Which country becomes first country to criminalize AI-generated child abuse content? Option D, United Kingdom. Which Indian state has recently imposed a complete ban on begging across all public places? Option C, Madhya Pradesh. Who is the president of the 79th session of the UN General Assembly visited India in February 2025? Option B, Philmong Yang. Who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Games 2025? Option D, Services Sports Control Board. Which Indian women have been included in the Times Magazine's Women of the Year 2025? Option C. Dr. Purnima Devi Burman. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Option A. Gyanesh Kumar. Which country has announced the withdrawal from the World Health Organization, following the United States? Option B. Argentina. Who has been recently appointed as the Chief Minister of Delhi? Option C. Rekha Gupta. In which Indian state is the country's first AI university set to open? Option C. Maharashtra. Jhumwa Binadini is a traditional dance performed in which state? Option D. Assam. Which organization has recently launched the One Man Office initiative? Option C. LIC. The Union Budget 2025-26 announced which mission to conserve and documents 1 crore manuscripts? Option B. Gyan Bharatam Mission. Who has been sworn in as the new Prime Minister of Belgium in 2025? Option C. Bart de Wever. Where was India's first open-air art wall museum inaugurated recently to commemorate 150-year journey of the IMD? Option B. New Delhi. Where was the 15th International Meeting of World Pharmacopoeias held? Option A. New Delhi. Which tennis player recently announced retirement at the age of 33 after winning 2 Grand Slam titles? Option B. Simona Halep. Avada Group will develop India's largest green ammonia plant in which state? Option B. Orissa. What is the maximum altitude range of the Very Short Range Air Defense System? Option D. 12,000 feet. Which country topped the global domestic flight load rankings in 2024? Option C. India. Konstantinos Tasoulas has recently been elected as the new president of which country? Option D. Greece. Who has retained as India's most valuable company in the 2024 Burgundy Private Hurung India 500 list? Option D. Reliance. Who has topped the Forbes Top 10 Richest Women in the World in 2025? Option A. Alice Louise Walton. What was the original name of the Indian Army's Eastern Command headquarters before it was renamed Vijay Durg? Option B. Fort William. In which state is the world's largest safari park, the Aravalli Safari Park project, located? Option B. Haryana. Which state government has introduced Nenamritam 2.0, an AI-driven eye screening initiative? Option B. Kerala. Who has won the Memory League World Championship 2025? Option C. Vishwa Rajakumar. Who launched the Watershed Yatra on 5th February 2025? Option C. Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan. The 27th meeting of the Western Zonal Council has been organized in which city? Option B. Pune. Which country experienced the eruption of Mount Dukono? Option A, Indonesia. Who has launched its first quantum computing chip called Majorana 1? Option B, Microsoft. Who is known as Mumbai Cricket's encyclopedia, who passed away recently? Option D, Milind Rege. Who has won the men's title of the 2025 Asian Snooker Championship? Option C, Pankaj Advani. Who has won the BBC Sportswoman of the Year 2024? Option C, Manu Bhaker. Where was the Prakriti 2025 International Conference on Carbon Markets held? Option C, New Delhi. Which team won the inaugural World Pickleball League? Option B, Bengaluru Jawans. Who topped the medal tally at the 2025 Archery Asia Cup World Ranking Tournament? Option D, India. Christine Kala Kangalu, who was awarded the Pravasi Bhartiya Samman Award 2025, is the president of which country? Option A, Trinidad and Tobago. Who was honored with the Paulie Umrigar Award at the BCCI Awards 2025? Option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Which country has recently joined OPEC+? Option C, Brazil. In which Indian state was the saffron red-tailed damselfly, Indosticta deccanensis, discovered? Option D, Karnataka. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of SBI Cards? Option D, Salila Pandey. India's first vertical bifacial solar plant has been installed in. Option B, New Delhi. Who has been appointed as the director of the FBI? Option D, Kash Patel. What is the theme of the Union Budget 2025-26? Option A, Sabka Vikas. Ali Ai Ligang Festival is celebrated in which state? Option C, Assam. Hisaki Takuch has been appointed as the MD and CEO of which company? Option D, Maruti Suzuki India. Option D, Maruti Suzuki India, who has been appointed as the CEO of Standard Chartered India. Option A, Prabdev Singh. The Hajj Suvidha app was launched by which country's government? Option B, India. Dmitry Bakanov has become the Director General of which country's state-run space agency? Option B, Russia. Which country unveiled the world's fastest high-speed train, the CR450? Option C, China. Who has been recently appointed as the chairman of SEBI? Option B, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Which state has reported the highest number of vulture population in India? Option B, Madhya Pradesh. In which city is Google's largest campus in India, named Ananta, located? Option C, Bengaluru. Which institute has launched a zero-waste bioplastics initiative? Option A, IIT Madras. Which state will have the Makhana Board established under Budget 2025? Option C, Bihar. Who is the chairman of the committee set up by the Gujarat government for Uniform Civil Code? Option B, Ranjan Desai. Who has launched India's largest metal 3D printing machine for rocket components? Option D, IIT Hyderabad.
Thank you for watching the video.